Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing El Castell Motel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. El Castell Motel just 4 miles from the Monterey Bay Aquarium. El Castell Motel features an indoor heated pool and all guest rooms feature free Wi-Fi. Guest rooms feature a microwave and a refrigerator. The rooms also include TV with cable channels and a work desk. Laundry facilities are available to guests of this motel. The Monterey County Fairgrounds and Old Fisherman's Wharf are 3.1 miles away. California State University of Monterey Bay and Fort Ord are a short drive from the El Castell Motel. The Monterey Museum is 2.1 miles away from El Castell Motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.